item be item number 5. Approve a contract with Morristown Utilities Commission to transition into routine operation and maintenance of the pumping system. Are there any questions at this point on this contract?
Let me first apologize that the attachment is not in your package that reflects the cost. The proposed cost from MUS is an all-in cost with overhead of $717,000, which is slightly less than the total cost after profit margin from the yellow. It's about a $25,000, $26,000 cost. It is an estimate. It is subject to variation as actual activity takes place in the field, but it is a slight savings. The change is recommended based on the ability of MUS to respond with manpower and equipment that is not available to the current contractor in terms of being able to pull pumps and so forth. And it is also our intent to improve our overall monitoring SCADA system to monitor these stations, and that we expect to go through the MUS fiber network, so the close working relationship with MUS and the operation of these pump stations is a lot smoother. So it's our recommendation to approve this contract.
Tony, does that, and then on top of this, we'll have any expenses that we may be involved with Veolia and our people to assist them in transition, correct?
We anticipate that we will not get full freight from either during the transition period, based on the number of hours. It will both be less than if they were operating solely by themselves. So we expect that to offset during the transition period. The cost will be roughly the same as if you had one contract for the entire period.
Are there any other questions on item number 5? City Administrator.
And like I said, the only problem I have, there's no figures in this agreement. I'm not going to vote on something that don't have no figures at all.
There you go.
And, yeah. You know, Tony's good about putting these figures up here on your desk and give them to you later. You know?
Not often.
All right.
Not often.
No.
Right.
All right, so we have, do we have a motion, or is there any questions, any further questions?
I just wanted to ask, this is in the budget?
Yes, this is all within budget.
Any other questions? Or is there a motion to approve contract with Morristown Utility Systems to transition into routine operation and maintenance for the pumping stations?
Make that motion.
We have a motion. Do we have a second? We have a second. Is there any further discussion? Hearing none, please enter your vote. 5 yeas, 2 nays.